Have you ever wondered how companies keep track of their cold, hard cash? It's not some secret ledger hidden away. No, it's all in the cash payments journal. Think of it as a financial diary, where every dollar spent gets its own page. In today's fast-paced business world, understanding this journal is crucial. So, what exactly is the cash payments journal, and how does it work? Get ready to dive into the accounting world because we're about to break it down for you step by step. We've got everything covered, from the nitty-gritty details to practical examples. Buckle up because by the end of this video, you'll be a cash payments journal pro. Okay, imagine you run a small flower shop, just like Joel Flowers in our example. Every month, you spend money on rent, inventory, and more. Now, you might wonder, how do you keep track of all these cash outflows? That's where the Cash Payments Journal steps in. What is the Cash Payments Journal? At its core, the Cash Payments Journal is a simple but essential tool for businesses to record all their cash expenses. Picture it as the heart of your financial operations, pulsating with the rhythm of every dollar your business spends during a specific period. Now, let's dive deeper into the format of this journal. The first entry is your company's name, anchoring the journal's identity to your business. In our case, it's Joel Flowers. Next in line, the journal proudly bears its name, Cash Payments Journal, a title that signifies its significance in the realm of financial management. And don't forget to note the period for which it's prepared, which can be as specific as December 2021. The components of a cash payments journal. Moving on to the journal itself, it's divided into several columns. There's the document number, which you use to identify each transaction uniquely. If you're not provided one, don't worry. You can simply use consecutive numbers. Then, there's the day of the month, where you record when the payment was made. For instance, if you paid rent on the 1st of December 2021, you'd write 01 in this column. Now, the details section is where you describe what the payment was for. This is critical. It can be the name of the person or company you paid or simply cash if it's a general expense. The folio or FOL column is a reference code used to connect different records. For now, let's not worry too much about it. It's used primarily for advanced accounting. Categories in the journal. Here's where it gets interesting. The Cash Payments Journal is like a ledger with specific categories. First, there's the bank. You record all the amounts you paid using actual cash here. So if you paid $10,000 on the 1st of December 2021, it goes in this column. Then there's purchases. If you buy inventory or merchandise, this is where you record those expenses. It might match the amount in the bank column if you paid in cash. Creditors come next. This column is for payments to suppliers when you've bought something on credit. Say you purchased supplies from a supplier, and now it's time to pay them. You'd record it here. If you're lucky, you might receive a discount from your creditors. If that happens, it goes in the discount received column. These discounts can be financial perks for settling your dues early. Now we have wages. Any payments made to your employees would go here. This is where you record your monthly payroll. Lastly, there's the sundry account. It's the catch-all category. It goes here if your expense fits differently from the other types. For instance, utility bills like water and electricity might find a home in the sundry account. Remember, your journal might look slightly different depending on your business needs. You might have additional categories like utilities or taxes. The key is to adapt the journal to suit your business's unique financial landscape. Practical example. Let's put this knowledge to use with a practical example. Say on the 2nd of December 2021, you paid your shop's monthly rent of $3,000 by check. You'll record this in your cash payments journal under bank as $3,000 and describe it in the details column as rent. Since there's no specific column for rent, it goes into the sundry account. So under sundry account, you write $3,000 and specify rent. Understanding inventory systems. One more thing to note is your inventory system. In our example, we're using a periodic inventory system, but you might encounter the perpetual inventory system in other cases. The difference? In the regular system, we record purchases in the purchases column, while in the perpetual system, it goes under inventory. As we wrap up this journey into the world of the cash payments journal, I hope you've gained solid understanding of this essential financial tool. Managing your business's cash flow is like steering a ship through uncharted waters. The cash payments journal is your compass. But before we part ways, let's put your newfound knowledge to the test. Here's a question. Can you think of an expense that might fall into the sundry account in your business or personal finances? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights on financial management. Also, if you have any specific accounting topics you'd like us to cover in the future, feel free to let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps us tailor our content to your needs. Thanks for joining us today on Kountin Koins. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to finances. And with the right tools like the Cash Payments Journal, you can confidently navigate your financial ship. Until next time, happy accounting!